In July 2001, something deeply unsettling happened in the Indian state of Kerala. Rain began to fall, but it wasn't clear and it wasn't muddy. It was red, deep red, like diluted blood. When the rain dried, it left crimson stains on clothes, walls, rooftops, and even drinking water. For weeks, people watched the sky with fear, wondering what exactly was falling from above. This strange rain did not occur once. It returned again and again across different districts of Kerala, sometimes red, sometimes yellow, sometimes brown or black. The timing made it worse. Just days earlier, many residents had reported a loud sonic boom, like an explosion in the sky. Rumors spread faster than the rain itself. Some believed it was a meteor burst. Others whispered about chemical contamination. A few even claimed it was a sign of something not from Earth. Newspapers called it bloody rain. Panic was understandable. Rain is supposed to be life-giving, not terrifying. People avoided collecting water. Clothes stained permanently. Wells turned pinkish red. For a region deeply connected to monsoon cycles, this felt like a violation of nature's most trusted rhythm. Scientists were called in to investigate. Rainwater samples were collected and examined under microscopes. What they found was strange, but not supernatural. The red color came from millions of tiny particles suspended in the rainwater. These particles were biological. They were cells. At first, this discovery only fueled more speculation. Some researchers suggested the cells might be extraterrestrial, especially because they appeared unusually resilient. Headlines flirted with the idea of alien life falling from the sky. It sounded exciting, dramatic, and completely premature. More careful analysis told a different story. The red particles were identified as spores of a type of algae associated with lichens. These spores are incredibly small, lightweight, and capable of surviving harsh conditions. Under the right circumstances, they can travel long distances through the atmosphere. So the question shifted. If these spores were natural, why did they fall almost exclusively over Kerala? And why did it happen repeatedly? The answer lies in geography and weather, not science fiction. Kerala sits along the Western Ghats, a mountain range that plays a major role in shaping monsoon patterns. During the southwest monsoon, strong winds carry moisture-laden air toward the coast. These winds can also transport dust, spores, and microscopic particles from distant regions. When this air rises over the Western Ghats, it cools rapidly, triggering heavy rainfall. Rain clouds act like filters. They trap particles suspended in the air and concentrate them into raindrops. In 2001, atmospheric conditions aligned perfectly. A large concentration of red algal spores entered the monsoon system, became trapped, and fell repeatedly over the same region. That is why the phenomenon was localized. That is why it lasted weeks. And that is why the rain appeared colored instead of uniformly dusty. There was no blood, no poison, no aliens. But that doesn't make the event ordinary. Bloody rain in Kerala remains one of the most unusual meteorological events ever recorded in India. It revealed how interconnected Earth systems truly are, how particles invisible to the naked eye can travel across continents, and how easily fear fills the gaps left by incomplete information. The sky did not change. The planet did not malfunction. Nature simply behaved in a way most people had never seen before, and that is what made it unforgettable. Sometimes, the most unbelievable events on Earth don't come from outer space or ancient curses. They come from the atmosphere above us, quietly reminding us that this planet still has the power to surprise, confuse, and humble us. Even with something as simple as rain.